I spent $1,000 on a machine that ices cakes for me, and I waited 2 months for it to get here. But it has arrived. Let's unbox it and see if it's actually worth the price tag. Can you pass me something for this? Really?
It's a big box.
Somehow this wasn't big enough. Do you have something else?
Hold on. Okay.
Things are getting weird here at the Icing Artist.
So yeah, that's your trigger there, and yeah, pull that to start it.
Like this?
Hit the switch at the back.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Whew. Let's clean this place up. Well, this is officially the coolest thing I've ever bought on the internet, and it's pink. Oh! I officially feel like the train guy, but with cake. So how do you, I have questions.
It's all coming together.
Okay. Put cake blanks on the turnable according to the size. Guessing this is a blank. Cream bagging.
Yep, and what's the next step?
The cream bagging. Don't be too strong. Keep rotating knife.
You need your glasses, Lori.
I'm like this close.
I know. Positive rotation. It must move. Okay.
So I think I'm gonna layer it up on the cake board and try to ice it with the machine on the cake board. Don't judge the cake rounds because these are the leftovers from the TikTok baking hacks, and I had extra box cake. So my chocolate cake looks so much better than this. People have both iced it after it's been crumb coated and before it's been crumb coated. So I wanna try before it's been crumb coated because I'm spending all the time crumb coating. Like, this machine's supposed to do it all. How did you said? Adjust, you need to.
Yeah, adjust it.
Ah!
They don't even look like they're 90 degrees.
You should check that.
I'll get my square.
I can get you a baby square.
Oh, that's way out. Can you?
That's not square!
Hold it.
Well, that matters. I want to take a quick second and thank BetterHelp so much for sponsoring this video. If you're not familiar with BetterHelp, they are the largest online therapy platform worldwide. You guys know by now that I am just an anxious person, but I also struggle with depression. And when I was younger, I had no idea the impact that poor mental health can take on your body, like messing with your entire digestive system. Or the incredible effects taking care of your mental health can do for you, like resetting your entire nervous system and changing the way you think and feel and react to everything. There are many things that have helped me through my mental health struggle, like meditation, yoga, exercise, eating healthy, but the biggest difference for me has been therapy. And the big reasons that I put off therapy for so many years was because I couldn't find time to travel to and from all of the appointments, and because it was hard to find a therapist that I really connected with. But for 3 years, I've been doing therapy once a week, but all online. With BetterHelp, you can join a video chat at your convenience and start communicating with a professional therapist. Everybody is different, and finding the right therapist that you really feel comfortable with is by far the most important thing. I mean, I personally have had 3 different ones. I mean, each were good, but finding the perfect fit is so important, and BetterHelp gets that. They make it easy and free to switch therapists so you can find someone who you truly connect with and feel comfortable with. So if you're struggling and considering online therapy with BetterHelp, click the link in the description down below or go to betterhelp.com/theicingartist to get 10% off your first month.
Why we fit?
I just needed you to say it again on the camera. I fixed it. I like pulled a little here and there, and now it's square.
Good job, Lori. High fives.
Yeah.
Also, I've never gotten to use so many tools in one video before. This is great.
Back
What
to
else do you
cake
think we
things.
can get?
Back to cake things. Get your phone off my table.
Oh yeah, my bad.
Rotation, up. Hey.
There you go. That's going the right way now.
The cake or the board? Why did it turn off?
Did it just turn off on its own?
Yeah.
What is it doing? Let me try. Let's try unplugging it. Okay, there you go.
We're in business.
Oh, that's so cool.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Just trying to get the little holes. Yeah, there we go. You seeing this?
It's pretty neat. Wait, can you just like push the stuff from the scrapers into it?
I've seen people do that too. There's
Oh,
just
that's
like,
neat. There you go. Cool. Look at that.
this is the coolest thing I've ever bought. So I think the goal is to kind of like fill up all the gaps with it, and then you kind of like cut in.
Oh, you adjust the scrapers again?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, I want to try at that.
Can't. It's fine. My precious. Oh no! I will say this is kind of relaxing though. You don't have to like worry about doing the work. But I don't know that this is any faster than, and you have the big cleanup than just like smoothing it yourself. And then like, fast. Away. Oh my God. Oh my God! Okay, that is cool.
It only took you 12 minutes.
So I didn't have to crumb coat, which saves me a whole step. And usually I'm like crumb coating and chilling and everything.
Oh, you probably should have.
Okay, so maybe I should have crumb coated. But that's pretty nifty. That is super, super cool. I mean, it's a little bumpy, but like honestly, for no crumb coat, there's not that many crumbs in it. So it's smooth, and I mean, it looks amazing. Now, I tried to turn it on and that's what I'm dealing with again. So we need to get some tech support and figure out what's going on with this, but at least I have a smooth cake. The only thing, I feel like I could push a tool onto it and do some cool patterns and maybe put some food coloring drops on it, carving. There's so many things that I could do with this, so let me know down below what you think I should do. And if you think it was worth $1,000. If you guys haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell down below. Love ya.